In my bottle, my bottle, my bottle, my bottle, my bottle.
Waterman, 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 waterman.
So fresh and so clean in my blue sweatshirt. Squeeze, squeeze in my bottle. And the water goes squirt, squirt, squirt on your shirt. Squirt, squirt on your breast. Squirt, squirt on your chest. This shit's a fucking mess, but I break it down now to the break of dawn. Chilling with your girl butt naked on the front lawn. And people wanna say, hey, why you got the water, man? Your girl got that fire, and I got the water, man.
Waterman, 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 waterman.
You know I got the water while I'm swimming in your daughter. My shit's all butter, butter. Oops, did I stutter? You know I got the money. You know I got the hose. You know I got them butt naked stripping out the clothes. And the water flows, oh yeah, the water flows. Who it gonna hit? Only water man knows. So I switch the flow and I grab a hoe. And I grapple her down to the motherfucking flow. So I hit the hoe and I hit some more. Stupid bitch, I only took you to the dollar show.
Waterman, 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 waterman.
Now they call me the guy with a slip in the slide. And the wetter the better, the fitter the fly. The bigger the guy, the bigger the size. So all y'all punks just step aside. This is how we ride, we don't stop, we glide. Bringing a tear to romance, I and all the rest we hypnotize. Falling from the skies, and I get you when you step outside. Hit you sideways with the drizzle for rizzle. I mean, you know the dizzle. Nobody's trying with a waterman fly, so you punk assholes just stay inside.
Waterman, 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 waterman,